Meet John. He's been feeling down in the dumps. He has no energy, tired all the time, and lacks focus at work. John knew he needed something to give him some energy. A lot of us feel like John. Have you ever walked into a vitamin store and asked the guy behind the counter what to buy? Of course you have. We all have. His answer to you will be the same as it is to everyone else. Buy that one. But the fact is, he doesn't know you or your family history, your allergies, medical conditions, or the medications you are taking. See, when it comes to nutrition, one size does not fit all. In fact, it fits no one. So it's safe to say that he's not a reliable source to ask. Who better to ask than yourself? That's right, we have a solution. Did you know you can take a free confidential health assessment and get your very own recommended supplemental regimen? Yup, customized nutrition. No more going to the store, wasting time trying to figure it out. It ships right to your door month after month on the day you say you want it. The guesswork is taken out. Oh, did I mention there's no filler, like some supplements on the shelves today? Try it out. It's free. Go to myhealthyhabits.idlife.com to complete your health assessment today. Then place your order. It's that simple. Website myhealthyhabits.idlife.com